I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get XRP out of Coinbase. First, it's important to understand Coinbase's current policies regarding XRP. You'll need to find an external wallet that supports XRP, as Coinbase no longer facilitates its trading for U.S. customers. We will then walk through the steps to safely transfer your XRP from your Coinbase account to your chosen external wallet, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. Before initiating any transfer, you must prepare your external XRP wallet. Choose a reputable wallet that explicitly supports XRP. Once selected, open your wallet and locate your unique XRP receiving address. Some XRP transactions also require a destination tag, which is a numerical identifier. Make sure to find and accurately copy both the address and the tag, as these are crucial for a successful transfer. Now, let's begin the transfer from Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account and go to your XRP asset page. Select the option to send or withdraw your XRP. Carefully paste the XRP receiving address and the destination tag from your external wallet into the designated fields. Double-check all details before proceeding, as incorrect information can lead to irreversible loss of funds. After entering your wallet details, Coinbase will prompt you to review the transaction. This is your final chance to verify the XRP address, destination tag, and the amount you are sending. Confirm the transfer, and Coinbase will process your request. The time it takes for XRP to arrive in your external wallet can vary, but it's usually quite fast. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep an eye on your external wallet for the incoming funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.